Decorilla Review. Pricing explained, what you get for your money. Decorilla isn't just an online interior design service you won't believe how it combines professional expertise, November 21st, 2025 renderings and personalized shopping into one seamless experience. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's expensive, but the pricing is surprisingly flexible for different budgets. Pricing starts with the e-design package at around, which includes a design concept floor plan and shopping list. For a more comprehensive approach, the Elite package costs $199 and includes November 21st, 2025 renderings, multiple revisions and access to a professional designer for guidance. You won't believe the value here. The November 21st, 2025 visualizations help clients avoid costly mistakes and ensure furniture and decor fit perfectly in the space. Most people get this wrong by comparing it only to hourly interior design rates. The real value is in convenience, professional expertise and time saved. For example, instead of spending weeks sourcing furniture and coordinating LEDs, Decorilla provides a full plan tailored to your preferences, ready for implementation. In conclusion, Decorilla pricing reflects a balance of professional quality and accessibility. By evaluating your design needs and desired level of support, you go from zero to pro in understanding what you get for your money. It's more than a service, it's peace of mind and a beautifully executed space.